Hey everyone, today we are talking about a feature that lot of developers, including myself, sometimes completely forget to add. Detecting when the user goes offline. Now it might seem like a small thing, but it's super important for user experience. Imagine you are scrolling YouTube or Facebook and suddenly your internet drops. Instead of weird errors, they show you a clean offline page. It keeps everything smooth and professional. So in this video I will show you exactly how you can detect if a user is offline and even redirect them to a offline page. So I am going to use React for this. I already set up everything. Now I will just open this on VS Code. In JavaScript there is two events, online and offline, to know when their status changes. So to use those events we have to use useEffect. And here we are going to create two functions, handle online and handle offline. Let's copy this. So when the user is online, we will show a toast message. So I am going to use sooner for the toast. You are online. Let's copy this. Error. Okay. Now we also have to input toaster to show the toast. Let's use rich colors and give a position, top center. Now we will create the events. Window.add event listener, online for online, status, handle online. Let's copy this, and this one for offline, handle offline. Okay, now let's run our app. And let's check on browser. So this is our app. I will turn up my Wi-Fi. You're offline, saying you're offline. Now I will on the Wi-Fi again, and it's saying you're online. So it's showing twice. Let's fix this. So we have to clean those event listener. Let's clean those. Window dot remove. Now let's go back. Now it's coming once only. Now turn on the Wi-Fi and you're online. So instead of toast, we can actually redirect the user to a offline page. So to do that, let's go back, and here we'll have to use useNavigate from reactjs.dom. And this one for reactjs.dom. So when the user is offline, we will navigate them to a offline page. And now we have to create this offline page. Let's create a offline page. Now we have to create routes too. So we are going to use reactjs.dom. Let's input browser routes here, and here input routes and route. The path name will be offline and the element will be our offline page. Now we have to create a route for homepage too. Since we are using React Router DOM, we have to add a home path or else we will get error. The element will be home. Okay, here we have to use the navigate. Now let's go back to the browser and I will turn off the Wi-Fi. You're offline and I am on the offline page, as you can see. Let's style this page. So let's style this page. Yeah, it's better than before. Let's make it bigger. Text LG. Yeah, it's good. So we can also do this. If the user is online, we will redirect them to the previous page. So to do that, here we have to use navigate -1. -1 means the previous page. Let's check on our browser. We are currently on home page. I will turn off this. So we are on the offline page and I will now turn on this and we are on the home page, as you can see. And that's it. In just a few lines of code, you can make your app way more user friendly, and when the internet goes down, small details like this really make your project feel polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend who building something awesome. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.